This wrestling video garnered an impressive 57 million views, while another featuring giant wrestlers reached 40 million views. And this strange, almost unbelievable video accumulated 9.6 million views in just a few months. That's the level of performance a single YouTube channel is achieving, using only one AI-powered method to create its videos. A few days ago, I came across one of their videos, a super high-quality AI-generated clip showcasing a wrestling match between giants, surrounded by a crowd in a packed stadium. The surprising part? That single video has already racked up nearly 60 million views, an extraordinary figure for AI-generated content today. And that's not all. They have multiple videos amassing tens of millions of views each. At first glance, these videos appear to be the work of professional animators. However, after digging into various AI tools, I discovered the exact formula this account uses to create its viral content. On top of that, I identified a few mistakes in their strategy, errors that are costing them not only views, but also substantial earnings. Getting millions of views is impressive, no doubt, but without proper monetization, those views hold little value. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to start a channel like this from scratch and turn it into a profitable, faceless channel that earns money while you sleep. I'll reveal the specific tools and prompts used to create viral content and even guide you through replicating one of their most successful videos step by step. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll share a game-changing strategy that's helping faceless channels generate tens of thousands of dollars per month. It's a method that's still largely untapped and hasn't been widely discussed on YouTube. Let's take a different approach. We'll post videos across YouTube Shorts and Instagram to maximize both views and income. While platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts do pay creators, starting out can be frustrating. You might expect your first videos to go viral, but in reality, building your channel is a gradual process, done step by step. Here's the challenge. YouTube only monetizes channels that have at least 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views within the last 90 days. That might sound like a tough starting point, but there's a shortcut. I found a website that sells pre-monetized accounts that have already met the monetization thresholds through organic growth. If you want to save time and effort, you can use the code AIAMPLIFY at checkout for a discount. Link in the description. The channel was created on June 17th, 2023, but their first video wasn't uploaded until November 23rd, 2024. In just 2 months, they achieved phenomenal success. So, what's the secret? Why did this content go viral? Here's my analysis. Bold visuals that grab attention instantly. These videos create a wow moment at first glance, leaving viewers questioning whether it's real or not. It's something new and unique, immediately captivating their curiosity. Here's what you need to create similar short videos. 1. Use AI tools to generate stunning visuals. 2. Transform those visuals into engaging videos. Ready to uncover the secret to viral success. Let's dive in. But before we begin, I want to share a special blueprint with you. This blueprint contains all the materials and the best prompts to create this type of video properly, along with a step-by-step guide. With it, you'll significantly increase your chances of making your video stand out. Inside the blueprint, you'll find all the shortcuts and strategies to create effective content in the giant wrestling niche. If you're interested in purchasing the blueprint, the link is in the description below. Step 1. First, let's analyze the video. Select a viral shorts video to increase the chances of your video going viral as well. Choose a clip that's at least 10 seconds long, with 1 or more scenes. The first step is to take screenshots of the video, but before that, you need to download the video so you can capture every scene from the clip. To download the video, go to Google and search for a YouTube downloader. Once you've chosen the video you want to download, copy its link and paste it into a tool like savefrom.net. After downloading the video, start taking screenshots of each scene, just like I'm doing here. I'll skip this part to avoid boring you. Next, go to po.com and select a bot, such as ChatGPT. Then type this prompt. I'm going to recreate this video. Give me a detailed prompt for Flux to generate an image for this shot. I'll include this prompt in the description so you can easily copy and paste it when creating a similar video. Select 3 images that you believe will immediately grab viewers' attention within the first 3 seconds. These images should be compelling enough to make viewers want to finish watching the entire video. This serves as the hook for your shorts video. The process is simple, and the output is highly effective. Step 2. Generate realistic, high-quality images. 1. Use Krea.ai and log in for free with your email. 2. After logging in, click Generate Images. 3. Copy the prompt you created earlier in po.com and paste it into Krea.ai. 4. Select Add Images and upload the reference images you prompted earlier in po.com. Set the reference weight to 1.5. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, ideal for shorts, then click Generate. Within seconds, your images will be ready. The output is highly realistic and looks almost lifelike, making it perfect for attracting millions of views when you turn it into a shorts video. Next, let's move on to the second session output. As you can see, the results are still of extremely high quality and clarity. Repeat this process until you complete all the images prompted earlier in poe.com. If you're not satisfied with the initial generation, you can regenerate until you achieve the desired output. Step 3. Converting images to video. In this step, we'll turn the generated images into an animated video. 1. Open runwayml.com and log in. 2. Copy the prompt from po.com and upload the images you downloaded from Krea.ai. 3. Ensure the aspect ratio is set to 9:16 to match the shorts video format we'll be creating later. The generation process is impressive and produces highly realistic results. At first glance, it looks like an actual WWE stadium scene, but it's entirely AI generated. However, don't expect every generation on Runway to be perfect. Sometimes, the AI output may not be entirely accurate. If you're not satisfied with the result, refine your prompts and regenerate until you get the ideal output. With the right prompts and consistent generation, you can create stunning and realistic animations that will elevate your shorts video. Keep experimenting until you're happy with the results. I will fast forward this to keep you from getting bored. Step 3. Find some sound effects that match the wrestling battle. Look for sound effects that would typically happen in a sports ring, such as boxing battles, crowd shouting, crowd cheering, or ambient sounds. Just go to pixabay.com to download these sound effects that you can use when editing videos in this niche. After downloading the sound effects, let's move on to the editing part. For the final step, go to CapCut. Drag all the wrestling videos from Runway ML into the editor, and don't forget to add the sound effects to save time. The first thing I'll do here is select a scene that I think will go viral when viewers see the first 3 seconds of the clip. Arrange the clips in a way that looks most appealing, and once you're happy with the arrangement, I'll add the sound effects. The sound effects should match what's happening in the scene, such as crowd shouting to emphasize how crucial the action is in the first 3 seconds of the clip. Or you could use crowd cheering to show that the battle is intense because the audience is reacting loudly in the stadium. Just follow what I've done here. If you're still a bit confused, feel free to rewind this section to see how I edited these types of videos. It's really simple to do, as long as you have paid tools that can help you generate images to video for animations. Of course, I'll also add an adjustment layer for color grading to make the video more realistic and lively. You can follow my settings here for color correction. Once that's done, we're finished editing the giant Via's wrestler niche video that's going viral on YouTube Shorts. Make sure that when you export, your settings are set to 4K resolution and 60 frames per second. Then, click Export, and here are the final results.